Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com and creator and founder of the She Makes Club. And I wanted to make a card with you today using the kit that we are featuring inside She Makes. This is the Forward with Faith, and faith is the theme for all of March. And I am really excited to share more about my faith, but also just encourage you in what your faith is and what you believe in, and where your vision and hope is going forward into the future and for your life. So I wanted to do a card today. I really love all of this paper so much. I just think it's really beautiful, and I love that it says she is more precious than rubies, because many of you know that the entire premise of when Above Ruby Studio started came from Proverbs 31. So I think it's really awesome that it's on here. It just seemed pretty cool to me. So I wanted to just do a cute little card today. I actually thought I would do the With God All Things Are Possible as a little bit of an encouragement card for pretty much anybody really out there that just maybe struggling with believing or hoping, or wanting to have just courage to move forward in whatever it is that they're facing. So we're gonna do, how do I want to do this? I'm gonna cut off the whole bottom here, which is the little title tag, and then we'll go this way and cut off the little card. All right, and then these will get saved for our workshop and other fun pieces that we'll be doing throughout the month. All right, so we're going to start with that. Actually, I need to trim a little bit more off of here, and we're going to take a look at a few other pieces of paper. I already made my card base, which is Old Olive. I thought the colors, again, just kind of go great together. And this is just really meant to be a little bit of an encouragement. So we're going to grab, I really like this. Of course, I like all of it. Let's just grab a 1-inch strip, 1.5-inch strip. So I can get some of the flowers and a couple other pieces here to kind of come together and work for me. So something like this, because that flower goes. Might be a little too big. We'll see. And maybe let's go this way. All right, so we're kind of going to start with that, and then I have those to still work with. And I just love so much of this. This is the only page that I'm not a huge fan of. I'm not gonna lie, this is the only one of the whole thing. I love the back of it though, so I can just use that. Because sometimes, don't you ever have that struggle? Like, I just had it there, where I'm like, I don't want to cut any of these cards, but then I love this entire page. And how do I like use both? Because it's like I need 2 of each page. Like, that drives me crazy. I need 2 of each page. That's just, you know, who I am, how I am, what I am. All right. These are all so cute, and they're going to be saved for different scrapbook layouts too. So I think all we're going to do right now is just focus on that part, and let's see the sticker sheet, because I think there's a butterfly on here that would be really cute on this card. So I think, I might be mistaken. So what we're going to start with, ooh, there's the flowers though. All right, I'm going to make this go completely across the top. If not, there's definitely flowers on here. I really thought there was a butterfly on the front. Oh, there is this one. It's not the one I was thinking of though. Okay, so here we go. This piece down. This piece is gonna go off this side. Like that. I'm going to round the corners, 1/2-inch corner round all the way. Ooh, wait, all the way? Just the bottom corners. Yeah, just the bottom corners. This is going to go on right here, this corner is gonna match and meet up with this corner. Okay, and then those flowers will come out. It's a little lower than I wanted it. Hold up. Oh, goodness. Okay, there, corners. There we go. There. I really thought there was a different butterfly on here. I must be losing my mind. Okay, we can use the flowers and the hearts. They'll be really cute. Ooh, this heart is actually the same material or pattern as the other. So let's grab these two hearts for down here. Originally, the idea was to take a butterfly, because to me, faith and butterflies, I don't know what it is about that always is kind of represented more to me. I do have a lot of butterflies in my cut files that I designed for She Makes Club for March. So you can come get those along with the other faith things that I have. I'm gonna just put the butterfly here. Okay, and I'm bending it a little bit and I'm pressing it down. And then I'm going to bend it a little bit more. A little piece of my dimensional adhesive. I'm actually just gonna cut the packaging here to do 2 strips on each way of the butterfly so that he has some movement. It's not quite the butterfly I was thinking. I really thought there was actually a green colored butterfly on that sticker sheet. Don't know why. I don't know where that came from in my head. It must just be because of what I was designing this month. Because I've been already working on, well, obviously working on all the cut files for the She Makes Club and what we're going to be cutting out during our live workshop Friday the 13th. It's going to be so fun. And just make sure that that sticks while staying down and kind of curves. So cute. So cute. So that butterfly kind of just comes to life while it still sticks on the page. Isn't that awesome? Okay, and then I can't help it. I just want to keep the corner chopper going with this guy. So I'm going to do 1/4 inch, just small rounds on the outside of the card. I just feel like the rounded corners soften the card a little bit. That's my take on it. So that's why I like to do it. Isn't that cute? All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed. One more thing. I'm gonna grab my tiny attacher. This is gonna be cute. I'm gonna open up the card and I'm gonna do a little cross attach here and here. Oh, adorable. Just those little details sometimes really make a difference, don't they? That's cute. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Tuesday tutorial. I hope that you'll join us for our live creative workshop. Some really fun journal prompts, PDF handouts, exclusive Cricut files, and so much more. Plus, when you become a member, you get access to over 50+ hours of creative videos, workshops, tutorials, so much more. So I hope to see you soon. Enjoy the moments, guys. Bye-bye.